Hi guys, my name is Dr. Bruno Kroa. Today we're going to learn some idioms in Lembaama, starting with verbs. It will be esabe, Lembaama, okao ilengo, meaning in English, to stay on one's back. Okao ilamu, to stay on one's belly. Okao ilalebai, to stand on the side. Okao ilavo, to stay on one's knees. Okabalinganchi, to stay on one's belly. Okabalingayulu, to stay on one's back. Okamotele, to stand. Okanga, to stay here. Okanga asasare, to be fast. Osankuna, practicing witchcraft. Ochatolo, to sleep. Olasamfa, to dress. Okalembasa, to stay behind. Okalevusu, to stand in front of. Okachuo, to be quiet. Okapi, to be silent. Okatele, to stay straight. Oimalumu, to sing. Ojompare, to boast of being strong. Osayemi, to do well. Ojoadoro, to boast about being rich. Ojanjanguri, to work for free. Okubakali, to abandon. Osubakali, to abandon. Otanavai, to throw away. Thank you very much and see you next time.